this one, it's 16, correct? One of them is 16, another one is 8. Those numbers are pretty nice compatible numbers. Can you write 16 in terms of 2 on base 2? This is 16 to the power of 3x, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Is equal to 8. Now,
I said 1/4.
can you, this is 3x, correct? So can you write 8 in terms of 2, like base 2, to the power of what? To the power of what is equal to 16? 4 is correct. So, nope, didn't work. Yes, now it worked. So, 2 to the power of what makes 8? Class, wake up.
3.
2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. Do you remember power to the power property?
Yeah.
What we were doing if there's two powers comes together?
Yeah.
What were you
add
doing?
During the parentheses, you multiply.
Oh, no, yeah.
You multiply. Good job. So, what should I write here? 2 to the power of
12x.
12x. Did everybody understood that?
Mm.
So, 2 to the power of 3. So, what is next?
You could, yeah.
When the bases are same, that means what?
Add them.
Yeah.
When the bases are same, that means exponents are going to the same. Did you remember?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so x is equal to 3 over 12. So that makes 1 over 4.
I said that in the beginning.
Does that make sense? All right, the second question.
Yeah.
27 and 81, they are nice numbers. Nice compatible numbers. Once you think the base
3 to the power
3,
of 3.
perfect, good job. We're going to write those on base 3. Let's get started. 27, I'm writing the question first, is equal to 81. So 27 is equal to 3 to the power of, right, 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3x. Okay? Did you understand this? Okay, so 81, 3 to the power of what?
4.
Let's check. 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 3 times is equal to 9. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. So how many? 4 of them. That's correct. Okay? So 3 cubed is equal to 27. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. So far so good. Did you understand that portion? So 27 here. 81 is here. Exponent is still there. Right, Metan? So what is next, Metan?
Okay, so now you multiply 3 and 3x, you get 9x. But
Three-
before that,
X.
you do 3 to the 4 power, which gives you 81.
We did that
You
already.
already did? Okay.
So what is next here?
Oh, you multiply.
Exponent.
Multiply exponent, power to the power proper, right, Eduardo? 3 times 3 is equal to 9, is equal to 3 to the power of 4. When the base are same,
You divide the second one by first one.
that means exponents are same. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So let's do that. 9x is equal to 4.
X is 4.
So x is equal to 4 over 9.
It would be like 2.
Get your calculators now. Okay, so we're going to type that into your calculator. How it's going to be if you all right, pay attention. Silence. If you forget to do exponent stuff, you can still solve that. For example, not the graph. We're not graphing it, right? It's supposed to be this button will switch. You know this button function, right? That switch between calculator and graphing calculator. So you're going to click menu, This is what class is this? Algebra, right? Go to algebra and numerical solve. You'll just type it in. What was that? You can do that. 27 to the power of 3x.
Comma x. X, let's solve for x.
27 to the power of 3x is equal to 81. Comma. Is that right? Okay, did everybody do this?
Yes. Oh, it works. 0.444444.
So 0.4, that makes, then you divide 4 over 9. 4 divided by 9, control enter. So what we got is correct. Okay? I'm solving the first question. First, menu, go to menu. Are we all in the same page, class? Menu, okay, get your calculator. You're in the calculator section. Menu, algebra. Okay? 1, numerical solve. Did you all click that one? Okay, now we're going to type 16 to the power of 3x is equal to 8. You're typing this one. 16 to the power of 3x. 16 to the power of 3x is equal to 8. Is that clear? Comma, solve for x. Since we're solving for x, we have to do it. Comma x. Give me a second. 0.25, is that right? 0.25, 1 over 4, same thing. We're not able to write them in the same basis. So that's why, in this case, I'm just going to add here logarithm to both hand sides. Logarithm. All right, when you guys just see the black handwriting, those portions are same, right? 15 to the power of 3x is equal to 215. What did I do? I just add log to both hand sides. And remember the exponent. What is it?
We're finding.
You are not able to write that two number in the same base. Okay, that's why I'm adding logarithm to both hand sides. And remember the exponent rule. Exponent goes to the front as product. So this number is going to the front as product. 3x times. Did you confuse? Is that clear so far? Now solve for x, right? So what should I do? What is the sign? Come on, what is that sign? Multiplication. Inverse operation of multiplication is division. Divide both hand sides by. Cancels out. 3x is equal to, please put it into your calculator. So you're going to divide the result by 3 because it's 3x, right? Okay. Control divides. Logarithm. What is the base going to be? Still the same answer. What a coincidence.
Yeah.
Over control log. What was that? Log 15. What is the base gonna be? 10. If it's not given, that means it's 10.
And if you look for anything, you can do it automatically.
Okay, I'm going to, before I click enter, what I'm going to do, where is it? Before I click enter, what should I do?
Divided by 3.
Divide by 3, because I'm looking for 3. Divide by 3, 0.69, that makes 0.7. So x is equal to okay, so we're gonna do the same thing. Bases are different. One of them is 5, another is 130. You cannot put them in the same base. So that's why, in this case, I'm gonna add ln, not logarithm. So this is something, okay? So ln 5 to the power of 2x is equal to ln 130. Because I just want to show you, you're going to think it. You put logarithm, some of you put logarithm, some of you put ln, okay? It's going to be the same. Natural logarithm. So it's natural logarithm because base is 10. Let's do that. So exponents, what I'm going to do next. It's not complicated, guys. Let's do that. ln 5.
Wait, how do you just start it? Like,
Where we divided both hand side by ln 5. Then ln cancels out. 2x is equal to ln 130 over ln 5. Let's do that on calculator. ln 130
$130 over
130?
yes.
how to put ln? Control e power x, yes, ln 5. So is equal to, I'm not going to click enter because it's the answer of that. I'm supposed to divide by 2, right? Because there is also 2 times. Divide the result by 2. Divide by 1.5. X is equal to 1.5. Am I right? Exactly the same. 1.51, so that is right. Let's convert it into logarithm. Log switch number and variable is equal to 3x. We're going to put this one into graphing calculator. Open the graphing calculator portion. Switch. What was that? Logarithm. Control log 4 6,000. Basis for 6,000 is equal to 3x. Do not write that yet. So okay, we're solving the second question now. The second question is on the board. Look, 7 to the power of 4x is equal to 800. We're going to graph both. The first one, 7 to the power of 4x. We did that. It's, as you see, it's blue graph. And then 800. Click this one. You don't see that, of course, because this number is less than 800. Make it 900. You see that? Now, where's the intersection point? Menu, analyze, intersect. Do you remember?
Oh, yeah.
Intersection point. So what is next? Put that in the middle. So x is equal to 0.85.
You're pointing. No,
Answer choice is A, right here.
It's not.
This is 859.
859, so it's right here. So what's wrong?
Oh yeah, you're right.
Round up.
Yeah,
What is the base here? Perfect. 10 4x minus 3 is equal to 2. Is that clear? So let's make it switch to the exponential function. So what is base? So what is next? No, it's on log already. We're gonna get rid of logarithm. We're gonna make it exponential. Yes. Switch that to. Remember, switch two of them for x minus 3. So how easy next? 100 is equal to 4x minus 3.
Add 3.
Add 3 now. 103 is equal to 4x. So divide by 4. X is equal to 103 divided by 4. This is the answer. You don't have to, it's 25 point something.
What do you square 10?
There's a good question. Why they square 10? This is the way we convert from logarithm to exponents. So base is 10. So base is 10 always. And then you're going to switch that to a number. 2 and 4x minus 3, you switch that to. So 2 went as exponent here. I got 2 here. Do the second question with this same technique. We're going to use the same technique. Log base is 10. If it's not given, that means base is going to be 10. 3x 3 minus 2x is equal to negative 1. Convert it to the exponential expression. Keep the base same and then switch two of them. Negative 1 is equal to 3 minus 2x. We're going to solve for x. 10 to the power of negative 1 is equal to, good job, 3 minus 2x. I'm going to add 2x to both hand sides. Okay, what should I do? Okay, why did I add 2x? Because it's negative. Negative numbers is not that much natural, so let's do something different. Let x 2x. Or you go ahead and deal with your own, however you know, this is something, if it's different, learn this one. I'm going to add 2x to both hand side. So guess what? They cancels out. 2x plus 0.1, okay, is equal to 3. And now, what? All right, we're going to subtract 0.1 from both hand side and then divide by 2. Yes, thank you. This is 2.9 divided by 2. Answer is 1.45 something. Let me check. In this type of question, remember, this is the expanded form because there are two logarithms. There are two logarithms. It's expanded form. I'm going to write them single logarithm. There's one logarithm. There's going to be one logarithm. Plus means multiplication. Tell me, x minus 3 times what?
X.
Is equal to 1. Is that clear?
Yes, so.
So, logarithm distribute x squared minus 3x is equal to 1.
Yes.
What is the base? 10. So, just tell me what should I do next. Switch. Perfect. 10 to the power of 1 is equal to,
X squared maybe.
right, x squared minus 3x. That's right.
So we're going to have to use the complex series. Right?
Yes, we're going to factor out. Okay, let's continue. We're going to continue. X squared minus 3x, perfect, is equal to 0. I subtract 10 from both hand side, okay? And then we're going to factor this. Negative 5, positive 2. Because 10, negative 5, that's right. X is equal to, another one is equal to, positive 5. Okay, after this, we're going to plug it in and then understand which one is satisfied. It could be both, it could be none, or one of them. Let's plug in negative 2 and understand, is that right? Log negative 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 5 plus log x is equal to negative 2. Is that possible? Logarithms cannot be negative. It's not possible. Log can't be negative. You're free to put it into your calculator. You're free to try, and it's not going to work out. And then I'm going to use another color. I'm going to try 5. Try 5.
Right? Negative, of course, won't work.
Of course, won't work. Yeah.
It can't be. No,
Remember the graph? It's always positive. So plug in 5. 5 minus 3, Victoria. 5. Yes. You may try this one. Plug into your calculator. Log 5 plus log 2 is equal to. Subtraction means we're going to, this is expanded format, guys. Not for the previous class, it's expanded form. I'm going to put into one single log, so which is log base is 10. Tell me. 6 minus means is equal to negative 2. Is that clear so far? What is that? It's a question mark. It's not X. Okay, after this, tell me. Go ahead. Go ahead. Perfect. Okay, this is 0.01 is equal to 6 over 3 is equal to 2 over x, correct? So after this, once we do cross multiplication, 2 times 1 is equal to 2 x times 0.01, correct? So divide both hand sides by 0.01. You don't have to do that. And it's going to be 200. Another way, from here, this is 1 over 100, correct? Am I right? This is 1 over 100. Is equal to 2 over x. 1 over 100 is equal to 2 over x. So this is easier. Do cross multiplication because there's proportion. X is equal to 2 times 100. I converted to decimal, didn't work well. If you convert to the fraction like this, you could get 200 faster than the next one. For example, this one, pay attention how we're going to solve this. 5 to the power of negative 2x means 5 to the power of, I'm sorry, 5 to the power of negative 2x means 1 over 5 to the power of 2x is equal to 25 to the power of 2 over 25 to the power of 2x. When you do cross multiplication, 25 to the power of 2x times 1 is equal to this, and 25 to the power of 2 times n. 25. 5 to the power of what? 5 to the power of 2, right? 5 to the power of 2, right? 5 to the power of 2 times 2x 5 power of 2 times 2. 5 power of 2x. Divide both hand sides by. So, when the bases are same, you subtract exponents. 4x minus 2x. So when the bases are same, exponents are same, x equals 2. Thank you very much. Okay, one more time. I add ln to both hand sides first. ln's are here. And then I apply the power property. Exponent goes to the front as product here. And I'm going to divide both hand sides with what? ln 8. ln 8, because I'm solving for x. Negative 2x is equal to ln 5 over ln 8. Put this into your calculator. Calculator section. So control, divide first. Control, divide. Control. No, not the control. Escape. ln. Yeah, okay, where's it's hard to write with this ln 5, ln 8. I'm not gonna hit enter. Before then, what should I do? Divide by negative 2, right? Since this is multiplication, divide by negative 2. So this is going to be downstairs 0.3. Question. Exponent goes to the front. We're putting ln to both hand sides. Let's do the color code, right? Right color code. Where is it? It's supposed to be blue, right? ln. We're putting ln. Question. So what is next then? If you don't have a question, just tell me what is next. Good job. So what is next? Wait a second. What did I tell you? ln and exactly. They are going to be cancelled out.